Hyaluronic acid versus niacinamide. Which one truly reigns supreme? In skincare, it's a common debate, but here's the truth. They're not rivals. They're allies working together for your skin's benefit. Imagine them as specialists with distinct roles. Hyaluronic acid is the hydration expert, drawing in moisture and holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water. The result? Instantly plumper, more refreshed skin. Niacinamide, on the other hand, is the multitasker. It refines pores, controls oil, and fades dark spots by slowing pigment transfer in the skin. So, which one should you reach for? If you're battling excess oil, large pores, or uneven skin tone, niacinamide should be your first choice. It tackles those concerns head-on. But if your skin feels dry, tight, or looks dull, hyaluronic acid steps in as the hero, giving you that immediate hydrated glow. The real power move isn't about choosing one, it's about layering them. Start with hyaluronic acid on damp skin to maximize hydration. Next, apply your niacinamide serum to treat and balance. Finish with a moisturizer to seal in all the benefits. Here's the final takeaway. For truly balanced, glowing skin, don't pick sides. Use both hyaluronic acid and niacinamide together. With this duo, you unlock the path to a stronger, healthier complexion.
So whether you choose the deep hydration of hyaluronic acid or the multitasking power of niacinamide, your skin is already on its way to a major glow-up. But before you go, there's one question we get asked more than anything else. Can niacinamide actually get rid of those stubborn dark spots for good? In our very next video, we're breaking down the science of pigmentation and revealing if niacinamide is the true secret to an even skin tone. You don't want to miss this one. Stay tuned, your clearest skin is just one video away.